Yeah, System Center Suite. It's nothing but a Microsoft suite. In that product, Microsoft is going to release these 6 products. Okay, like, do you know MS Office? All knows what is MS Office?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
So in MS Office, what are the products are coming?
Word, Excel,
PowerPoint.
PowerPoint,
Oh, Excel,
Access.
PowerPoint, Access, Outlook.
Outlook.
But MS Office also having 2 editions. Okay, standard,
Word,
any product, and enterprise. Some your laptop, if you're using some standard or basic version, something it won't come with Outlook, or some come it will come. So you will have OneNote also as part of MS Office. Some other products, even Skype for Business as part of also MS Office. There are a lot of other products also. You can simply go and search what is the MS Office products. You will get the things. Okay, it varies from version to version. Do you see Outlook on your laptops? Outlook. It depends. Like I'm not much sure, very long back I seen the difference between this enterprise and standard. But companies will only use some version of professional and all. Yeah. Okay. So in the same way, Microsoft product has some features. In the same way, System Center Suite has some products like Virtualization Manager to manage the virtual machines, Operation Manager for monitoring, Data Protection Manager for backup. Okay, taking a backup of server, Service Manager like ticketing tool, Orchestrator for automation, System Center. Why SCCM? System Center Configuration Manager. That is the full form, like System Center Configuration Manager configuration. In these products, the most important things would be this COM and SCCM, and then also virtual machine manager. Company will use this mostly. All will use, but on priority we use this. But some other will use mostly. This also has some lot of openings are there. Okay, Orchestrator also has very good, but nobody in the market is teaching this. Yes, but if you know this, there's a package. At least you can expect basic package of 18 lakhs if you would have 4 years of experience. With this you will get at least 20 to 25 lakhs package also. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So SCCM, I can say you can go until 15 lakhs to 18 lakhs package. Yes, but if you have a knowledge with SCOM, with the SCCM, then you can go at least, yeah, 25 in some companies, but max I'm saying. But some companies will use both at only for 5 lakhs also they can use it. But if you have very good knowledge, yes, some companies are getting, you can take at least, even SCCM I see some people are going at least 22 lakhs package in SCCM. Okay, but if you want more than 25 30, yes, at least you need orchestrator, at least with combination of this both. Then yes, exactly, you can achieve the targets within like 5 years. You can, it's like automation. If you know PowerShell, do automation things, orchestrator, then you can easily grow to above 18. Okay, until the 15 lakhs package, it's easy with the basic things. What I can say, what I am teaching, it's comfortable to get you cracked until 15 lakhs. Okay, in SCCM, at least 12 lakhs or 10 lakhs. Okay, I can say, but you need to dig deep dive into the SCCM to get the product knowledge and the things, the back end, how it works and all. If you need more than like 10 lakhs package or something, like you want to go with above 15, yes, that is not covered in this session. Okay, because that is very advanced knowledge, and if I teach also, it you cannot able to cope up. Okay, but what I said in the classes would be you can get through at least 12 lakhs package and you can survive in the market. Okay,
Yes.
is it clear what I'm saying to you?
Yes.
So these are the products. Why this is important? Operation manager means you can look into the basics of this. For example, you say some website is, if you open redbus.com, and says the website is saying like an error while opening. If you say it is down for 1 hour, how much business will lose?
Lot of.
If you say amazon.com only, if it with like a five, it would, if for 5 minutes or 1 minute, if something goes wrong with the Amazon website, how much business will lose in
Millions.
crores or some millions?
Mm.
Sorry, not in crores, at least in millions something, some 10 lakhs or something. It will be it more than that, right? Because no, if some payments are failed in Amazon, something at the website at the payment mode or something happened, what is the loss to the company?
It would be in millions.
Yeah, if at least 1 hour it's loss. Like if say Amazon is down for 1 hour, do you imagine something?
I can.
So how anyone can identify that this will not work? How fast it can identify is like this tool. This tool will not only web URL, it will monitor the application. So if server is offline, something is not working, it will get an alert. Okay, so and so things are not working, keep act on it. Okay, is it clear? So manually you cannot check, right, every minute and log into the web page, refresh and do. Am I right or not?
It would be difficult.
It would be difficult, fine. If you are working from morning 8 to 6, fine. But you're continuing again, that's if you some 3 persons will be there to monitor the 24/7,
Okay.
only for monitoring, right? Whether it's working or not. If you go for lunch break and server is down, gone, some billions are gone, right?
Yes, sir.
So that can be avoided using this monitoring tool. There are a lot of monitoring tools are available. Microsoft also will have a very good market in a lot of companies are using this COM. Okay, even SCCM was holding 80% something, and majority, because why SCCM all companies are using means most of the companies will use which operating system? Linux, Unix as a client operating system.
No, sir. Only Windows.
Why
Client operating.
only Windows?
GUI, graphical user interface.
There is no other
Nothing.
competitor,
Okay.
right?
Yes,
Nobody
sir.
released like Windows 10. Some other things are not released yet because no, the product code is not yet shared to anyone, and it's a GUI. And Microsoft is owning all the client, at least all clients, mostly 80% using Windows,
Microsoft.
Microsoft, but some persons only using like Linux, UX. If you go to IBM, the client operating system, some operating systems will be on Unix and AX, Linux based. Okay, but there also they will use client operating system. Their employees will use only Windows. Anywhere in the world, 95% client operating system, nothing but ourselves, end users will use only Windows operating
Windows.
systems. Microsoft client operating system, it may be Windows XP 7, it's already outdated. Currently Windows 10. Okay,
Yes.
that's why even we have something, I think more calls related to the things on this. Okay. Coming to introduction of SCCM, I can say this is the versions. SMS is released later, SCCM 2007, and coming with SCCM 2012, SCCM 1511, and then currently the things will be changed because the same product Microsoft will change the name, attract the customers with yeah, I have a new product. What you will say every year, what Redbus or something will do, we will give some 50% discount. They will do some advanced settings. The same way, what the software distribution patching, they will remain same. They will add some new features. Say the customer, okay, we released this, that, and all, right? At least because no other new customers has to take the product, right? At least new companies will come. This is also product from Microsoft only. If you see, the name of the full form of SMS would be System Management Server. SCCM is System Center Configuration Manager. Yeah, MECM is Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager. This is the naming convention. If you dig down with the history, yes, SMS has been released in 1994. Okay, with some basic DOS commands and all. It's nowhere, nobody will ask you about this. Do you know SMS means? You straight away say no. Okay, because it's outdated and nobody using in the environment. Is it clear? To just knowledge sake, yes, it's there. SMS 2003, the name, the full form is fine. Is that clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Place.
Okay.
Otherwise, it's clear.
Okay, fine. Thank you. So coming to SCCM 2007, we need to concentrate on build version, product name. See the build version starting with 40, 4057, something blah 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 is there. And if you see the version beta 1, S code, refresh, RTM, SP1, is it confused to remember by heart?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So then Microsoft come up with new things. 2007. If somebody asking, do you work on 2007? Your answers would be no. Okay. If somebody asked you, do you have worked on 2007? Say, I do not have chance to work on SCCM 2007.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. Because no, it's end of life already in around 2019. Okay. Let me expand. 2019, it's the last, it's complete Microsoft stopped the things. But still some companies will use, but Microsoft maybe not support it. Yeah. SCCM 2012 version. Microsoft released in 2012 with RTM. RTM is nothing but release to market, like testing product. Okay. Based upon their feedback, the production released is SP1. It's much drawback. Okay. But they release it, they comes with a lot of issues initially. Okay. And they released R2, which is stabilized product. Is it clear what I'm saying to you?
Yes, sir.
If somebody asks you which version you have been started of SCCM, you can say SCCM 2012 R2. Okay. Yeah, but if you keep in last 4 years, 5 years experience, okay, because no 2012 R2. If you said last 2 years which you are working, then you cannot use this product because no, it's very outdated at that time, right?
Sir,
Last
if I
two
want to say I have 4 years of experience, what should I tell?
will let you know. Okay. End of this session, you will get clarity. Okay. 4 years, that's fine. If somebody asks which version you started, you can simply say I started with 2012 R2. That's it. Started with.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Started with. What current version is different. It keep on changing every 4 months. Which version you have started working with SCCM means you can say like SCCM 2012 R2 or you say this C R2 CU1 R2 C2 somewhat good better than 2007. Am I right? If you see 2007, the build number start with what?
4,
4. 2012 build number start with client version start
5,
with 5.
5.
Build number something which represents the uniqueness of each and every product. Is it still this also confusing? To use SP1, CU4, something on it? Still some, at least. RTM means release to market. SP1 means service pack. R2 is release to. CU1 is cumulative update one. Okay. Okay, fine. And Microsoft come up again in 2015. They changed the naming convention again. Simply this calling SCCM as SCCM current branch and named with SCCM 1511. Simply they are removing these names because no, it has been messed up with remembering all these names. You can say I have started working with 1511 or something. Either if you have 5 years, you can say 22 R2, that doesn't matter, or 1511. Anything would be fine. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because no, it comes in 2015. 2012, if you're putting 8 years of experience, in the year 2012, it's released in 2012. If you're working a last 4 years, the current version would be what? At least 4 years gap. 22 means if you're working in 2015, it's yes 1511. If you're working from last 2016, it's a 1610. If you're working from 2017, it's a 1706, like that. If you have 8 years experience, then you need to start with this, because no 2012 is very old. But yeah, because until unless it's there long back, but you can say this also we use it. Still some companies are using this. They're not going to the upgraded version also. I see some companies are still using the same product, old product, this one. Okay, because no, if you have old scooter with you, what you will do? You will buy and sell with the new one. Of it, if it's working, you will use it. What your grandfathers will do, fathers, not our
Until it
generation.
works, we will use to continue it.
What our generation people will do?
Generation will take a new bike.
New bike. What our old generation will do?
They will repair the bike and they will
Use it,
use.
right? The same with the product is working, patching is
Yes.
working, the something is working, they will use the product. Why they are not going to new product? They do not want the new features. Okay, or if you want to go with the new product, you need to change your hardware, and hardware cost you more of money, then they won't go. Okay, is it clear? You need to change the operating systems, each and everything. That's there is some business critical conditions will be there. Budget will come, OS version is to change. It has to do a lot of changes. There is some other commitments. Due to that, they will be holding that. Or who is that is the things they will stuck at the 22 auto. But all companies mostly will they update. Okay, every 4 months or 6 months they have to update to the versions and all. If somebody is asking which version, if you say here current branch, every year it will release. See version, built versions, and it's see 1511, 1602, 1606. There is no stability is there. Somewhere around see here 1702 is there. Every 4 months they're releasing it. See 2, 6, 10, 2, 6, 10, 2, 6, 10 means constant is there. If again here changed 2, 6, 10 same. Am I right or wrong? Again 2, 6, 10 means Microsoft is releasing 3 times per year. February, second month, 6th month, 10th month. Again next it will come as same 2012, 16, something around 2020. Is it comes like this version? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So depends, Microsoft will change if they want to tweak something, they will change the naming convention to attract the customers and all. This is the final things. Lot of things are changed, right? Compared to 2012 R2 here, you see lot of difference in the naming convention. But still the backend product will remain same patching, same things, but new features are added to the console. Is it clear? If somebody is asking which version of SCCM you are using today, means you can say 2006. Is it clear? Any other doubts
Yes, sir.
in the SCCM versions? Simply do not buy hard the things and all. Simply somebody says I started with around like 1511 or 1606. You can say from if you put 4 years, I can recommend go back to the 4 years. 4 years means 2000 comes at to 16, right?
2016.
Class ఉంది వేరే.
Yeah, 16. Then you can okay. It start with at last 1702. You can say 2017 will come. Okay, you can start with 1610 and you can say I am started with 1610 or something. Okay, or
Okay, sir.
1702. Can simply say 1702 something. Okay.
Okay.
Nobody will ask the existing product where you started. They will ask you only which version you started, current version which you are using it. Okay. But namesake, if they only asked, you can start with like something around 1702, or you can simply say it's like 1602. Easy because of the year, or that's fine. 1602 would be good because
Yes,
of year 2016. Then what is the current version is 2006. Clear in the versions? What to say, what
yes,
not to say?
yes,
Somebody asked 2007? No. 2003? No. I do not have a, simply one word, I do not have a chance to work on the product.
yes,
Clear?
yes, sir.
Same the Windows 10 versions, same like to, every some 18 month support will be there for each and every support. You need to update to the next version releases when it got expires. Okay. You cannot use 17 for the longer time. Is it clear? Within that expiry time, you need to upgrade it to the other version. We can discuss the things later or how we can do it and all the things. This is it clear about the versions and all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me stop if I'm going some bit fast and all. Okay. So I will explain again whenever you need it.
Sure, sir.
So these are the SCCM features. Some features like operating system deployment, patching, software distribution, software metering, hardware inventory, role-based administration. These are the some of the features of SCCM. Is it clear what I'm saying to you? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
These
sir.
are the some of the features of SCCM, where we will look into each and every topic individually. Okay. Okay. Sorry, I have some mouse issues and all. In companies, we have a different teams, like each and everything we have a different team. Service desk, Active Directory, we have Active Directory team, DHCP has a different team, VMware team, Wintel team, monitoring team, CMDB team, SCCM team which we manage, and there is an application team, backup team, security team, antivirus team. In companies, each and every things there is a different team to support. Is it clear? To support AD issues, AD team will be there. To support DHCP issues, DHCP team there. VMware issues, VMware team will be there. Server shutdown, some server performance issues, server team will be there. SCOM, server is down, to check, monitoring team would be there. What of the servers are supporting, there is separate team would be there. To manage end user machines, then SCCM team will be there. Packaging, the packaging team would be there. Taking a server backup team would be there. To maintain some security policies, security team will be there. To get security threats and all up to date and all, antivirus would be separate team. Okay, our part is very little. In that SCCM also we'll do only few functionalities only. Okay, so that's it about these things of introduction. Do you have any other doubts so far? Hello.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any doubts?
Sir, if you have a 2 years of experience, which version I am using to I have to tell you.
I can't get you. Can you repeat?
Sorry. If I have a 2 years experience,
Okay,
so they will ask which version you are using. So for
you
that,
can say the
what
current
I have to
version.
current version only.
2006 I told you, no? You need to say what
Yes, sir.
version you can say. You can go if you are put only 2 years, last 2 years you can go, you can use it 2018-02 you started working. Somebody asked.
Okay.
If not, you can say currently I'm using 2006. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Any other doubts? If there is no doubts, yeah, then we can.
Praveen, background for Oracle DBA. I have total 4 years experience in IT. So actually, I was trying like which is very easier, which is less work, and which is don't have night shifts, and which is have just doesn't have pressure. I'm looking for something like that, very cool job. So I asked many people, my colleagues and friends, uh, and tried in different courses. I have learned many courses. Finally, uh, someone is suggested in SCF and Praveen. So 3 months back, I contacted Praveen and asked something about SCM. What is SCM? What it can do? And I have such as several blogs and several websites. So how's the work it is? What's the I don't such like what is SCM? How it is? How's the job it is? So finally, I got a good chance. Then I contacted Praveen and Bangalore. First day itself, I asked Praveen, I want to put a resume. He said, okay. Then I put resume. I got many calls. So then I believe, oh, SCM has good opportunities and good work and very easy work. Why? Because I'm a very lazy person. So then finally, I got many calls. Without completion of this course, I got a job in Wipro. My package was before my package was 9 lakhs. I don't think in this pandemic period, COVID, even I didn't think my hike will be that much. I think it would be the 10 lakhs or 10.5. But they given 11.5. And I joined in Wipro. So everything will be cool and everything is cool. And compared to other courses, first we will discuss about SCM. Compared to other courses, SCM is very easy. Each and everything will be either visible. You can see the logs. You can what happened in background, what is going on, what's the error. You can find the error. You can put on Google and search the error. Then you get the easily. You get easily resolution, and you don't panic. What's the error? How it will be resolved? What I do if someone asks, my mother asks, it will be clear in 1 hour how it would be. If my friend is not available, if my friend is not available, some colleague is not available, I'm very new. So everyone get panic. But in this course, we don't touch things like panic. We get all the errors and resolution will be find out in websites and blogs and videos. There is not much troubleshooting. There is no much such troubleshooting like hours and hours going on. It is very easy to troubleshoot, very easy to fix a solution. And one more thing, if you take any other courses, I have learned Oracle applications, Linux, Unix, MS SQL, MySQL, AWS, DevOps. In all of them, you get very tough in starting time. You get some confusion what it is, how it would be. If you see, if you have any experience in Linux, you can, what's the going on, you don't see in logs what's the going on, how it will be. Each command has separate uh, uh, command, each command line has separate work. If you give the command, what it was going on, if mistaken, if you given any command, the server will be down. Some panic situations you get. But in this, you don't bother on these commands. You don't wire the commands. You don't need to wire the commands. You don't need to wire the codes. Very easy to learn. Coming to SCCM, uh, SCCM trainers. If you see, I have many friends. I have many friends. I have trainers, many in my friends' friends, and my colleagues who are running their institutes in Bangalore, Hyderabad. Even personally, I am telling you, Praveen is such a talented, wonderful trainer. He tells everything, he explains everything, each pin to pin point. Example, if he is telling SCM, he's training on SCM, he don't need to tell about OS, server, storage, uh, remaining all. You just start with SCM, what is SCM, how it works, what are the issues and the solutions, how it will be. But he is telling about OS, storage, each pin to pin. And in software industry, in every domain, in software, we have to coordinate with uh, some teams. If you are DBA, if you are a developer, if you are a tester, we have to coordinate with some teams. So Praveen explained about each team, what they do, and what's the work with them, and how coordinate with them, how's the sort of the things with them, and how it resolve. Suppose if I have some work with AD team, so how I contact? Even I'm a fresher, or even I am new to SCM, new joiner in software. How I ask if suppose some issue with storage, so who will be the contact? Everybody don't know. So some issues coming, some issues coming like even you don't know who is the responsibility for this issue, which team is the responsibility. Even we have to find, and sometimes we panic. So how it will be? Manager just asks, please take it that issue and get it resolved. So even we don't know issue. Even we are searching troubleshooting like it is the issue, same issue. We troubleshooting, but we can't find the solution. So we feel that manager will smash you. So that time we get very trouble. We don't pass that situation like it's very toughest. So that time, so it is very helpful to know the each and every team, to know the issues. So how we will contact them, and how to propose with mails, propose our issues with mails. So each and every thing he explains. And and I noticed with Praveen many things. If I have completed my course, even after the course, he called many times. What are doing? How's the practice going on? What are the issues you are, what are the issues you facing? How it resolves? If he gives each and every time his suggestions, it's very valuable suggestions to me.
Banu, can
And
you hold for a minute once?
yeah,
So I see the meeting is disconnected. Can we rejoin once? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can we rejoin? Yeah. Can you rejoin immediately? Yeah.
Yes.